Looking for the right weights for scales? Learn about the different types, weight classes, and materials suited for your specific needs and how to maintain them. Calibration weights are essential for verifying the accuracy of scales and must be selected based on scale type, weight class, and environmental factors. They are used to adjust and verify the accuracy of scales, ensuring that the readings are as accurate as possible. Calibration weights are crafted from materials like stainless steel and cast iron, each offering distinct advantages. Calibration weights are categorized into several classes, including NIST, ASTM, and OIML, each indicating different levels of accuracy. Nominal weight refers to the specified mass that calibration weights should match to ensure accurate scale readings. Considering the application and load capacity ensures that the selected test weights meet the required accuracy standards. A scale's maximum capacity dictates the range of test weights that can be used effectively for calibration. Stainless steel is often favored for its resistance to corrosion, making it suitable for various environments. Over time, the accuracy of scales can decrease due to wear and external factors, making routine calibration a critical practice. The frequency of calibration should be determined based on risk factors, such as the likelihood of errors and their potential impact. Professional calibration services offer several benefits, including improved accuracy and compliance with industry standards. Storing calibration weights in dust-free, dry environments using protective containers ensures they remain in optimal condition for accurate readings. Always use clean tools such as forceps or tweezers to avoid direct contact with calibration weights. Using the original packaging or lined protective cases can prevent contamination and physical damage.